This isn't a course. It's not a hack. It's not a secret. This is the operating system, the actual architect behind every AI business worth building right now. I am calling it Wealth OS. Give me the next few minutes and I will give you the whole blueprint. So here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. So you have probably researched 100 different ways to make money with AI, 100 videos, and 100 threads, 100 proven systems. You have researched 100%, but action zero. That's not a discipline problem. It's not a motivation problem. That's the system. It's called execution paralysis. And it happened to smart people, not lazy ones. Too many doors, and nobody ever told you which one actually leads someone. So tonight, we are closing 99 of them. There are two kinds of income in this world, and only one of them scale. So this is active income, like task related, gig work, trading, hours for dollars. It's straight line because it's capped by the one thing you can't get more of time. So this is leverage to where AI built digital assets, a faceless YouTube channel, running while you sleep, flat at first and almost insultingly flat, and there it bends. And once it bends, it doesn't stop. Everything I am about to show you is designed to get you off that flat line. So before you build anything, you run diagnosis. Every real operator does this. Nobody build behind. So 5 questions every single time. Like competition, how crowded is this door already? Longevity, will this still exist in next 3 years? Or is it a tent wearing a business suit? Effort, what's the real cost? Not the Instagram version of the cost. Anatomy, can this run without you standing out it? Recurring, does the money show up once or does it show up again next one? And on the other side, the filter for whether it actually holds up, does it resist a recession? Can you raise your prices? And does the technology itself widen your margin? So run everything through this and you touch a single tool. Once it passes diagnostic, it falls into one of the three lanes, just three. Everything else is noise. Automated services, media engine, and scalable assets. So automated services like high ticket B2B, you are solving a real business, real problem. Media engines, creators, economy, monthly returners, you are feeding the algorithm endless appetite. Scalable asset like zero marginal cost, and build it once and sell it for forever. Very easy. Pick your lane. You are going through these three lanes. So first we are going to automated infrastructure. So lane one is what? Your automated services. Like first, AI voice agent. Copy the tool. $1,000 of $3,000 to set it up for a client. $1,500 a month. After that, just to keep it running. Yeah, the learning curve is steep. That's not a warning. That's the opportunity. Steep learning curves means everybody else quit before they got good. So low competition, real money. Second, AI web development like Lovable, Relu, $500 to $1,000 a day once you are moving. And this once scale as fast as you can close client. This is the lane for the guy who likes system, like clients, like getting paid for solving a real problem. Now lane 2 is your media engine. This is where attention itself becomes the product. AI short form clipping, 1,000 to 2,000 a month per retailer. I will be straight with you. It's volume game. So your income is tied directly to how much you are willing to output. No output, no checks. AI thumbnail engineering, $50 to $100 per high converting image. This one is silence, not a talent. 10,000 iterations, 10,000 hours of studying. What makes a thumb stop scrolling? So learn that and you are getting paid for a skill almost nobody has actually studied. Here's the piece that ties the whole thing together. The faceless YouTube channel. Not a personality. Not your face. Not your name. Edge system. Level 1. YouTube AdSense. The base. The floor. Everyone starts on. Level 2. Affiliate marketing. The multiplier, same content, second income stream. Level 3, digital product. Maximum leverage. Same audience, your own product, no college. One channel, three ways it pays you. And that's not content creation, that's infrastructure. So lane 3, and this is the one that actually breaks the chain. Build once, sell infinite times. So every hour you created before this had a hard stop, you can run out of hours. This doesn't have that limit. This breaks the chain between your time and your income permanently. The 10th scale cost you exactly the same as the 200. Zero marginal cost, that's not a metaphor. That's the entire unlock. So nothing you build work if you don't know exactly who you are building it for. So here's the stack. 3 AI tool, 3 jobs. Perplexity, the researcher. It goes out and pull the raw data, the real conversation, the actual noise your customer is making online. ChatGPT, the structurer. It takes that mess and organize it, demographics it, and behavior it, and interest it. Claude, the thinker. It takes that structure and turns it into a person, not a demographic. Like Jordan, 24 to 35 active users that value hands-free convenience. So you are not guessing who your customer is anymore. You are taking straight to Jordan. So you don't need 6 months and a team to launch. You need 24 hours and the right 5 tools. Exploding topic for trend. Spotting knows what's about to move before it moves. Like whisper flow. Voice to text. I use many types. You just give your ideas and hit page as fast as they hit your head. Like Nano Banana Pro, very amazing tool. You can use it for creating your brand new brand images. Lovable. If you do not have landing page, just you give a single prompt and create amazing website, single page website. Tidal, 24/7 AI customer support. So the business will run while you sleep. This 5 tool, one day a real business standing before you tomorrow. So now you have got the business, you still have to get someone to actually buy. And it depends entirely on who is in front of you. I am correct or not? So cold traffic. They don't know you, don't trust you, don't care you. But your job is disruption. Challenge what they already believe. Every less has the same uncomfortable flow. So you have got 2 seconds to earn this attention. Only 2 seconds. So one traffic is what? Different game entirely. So they already know you. Billion like victim. Wow. So lead with their pen, not your product. So the rule is simple. The headline has to feel like it was written for them and specifically and no one else. So match the message to this traffic or you are just shouting into a room that already left. So for the B2B land, here's exactly how you turn a stranger into a signed client. Only 4 steps. How much step? 4 steps. 1. Map the universe. Scrap the lead. Pick a niche so specific it feels almost too small. And that's the point. And that's the point. Now your is what? Now, now second is your the loop model. See, if you can provide a recording of yourself, then it will be so authentic to them. So they will feel that this is a real person who know all the things. So we will go for loop edit. Record a 60-second video showing them specifically exactly how to improve their system and give it away for free. Take it. 3. The action bonus. A low risk, fast guarantee, something that gets your foot into the door and with almost zero friction. 4. The retailer. So that's the close. Monthly recurring revenue logged in. So you have not cold pitching anymore and you are walking into the door already having proven your values. So which lane do you actually pick? You score it and save 5 category from diagnostic laid out side by side. So first your AI side, sorry, AI digital product, fully autonomy check 20 out of 25. That's the top of the board. AI voice agent, strong across the board, but flag the effect column, and that's real work. Don't kid yourself. AI website, AI clipping, and AI uses all viable, all score the same honest win. Don't pick based on hype. pick based on the number in front of you. So here's the last piece, the one prompt that turns everything I just gave you into something built specifically for your life. Copy this, paste it into Claude, and write now. I want to start a AI business, but have limited time. Interview me to figure out exactly which model I should execute based on my specific skills and schedule, and send it. So let it review, interview you, and let it hand you back the one lane out of the everything I just show you that actually fits your life. So you have got the whole system now. Wealth OS is open, and the only thing left to initialize is you. So for today this much. We'll meet on next video. For that, bye.